If you look at this question, so secant x divided by secant x plus tan x. So secant x divided by secant x plus tan x multiplied with the secant x minus tan x divided by secant x minus tan x, secant x minus tan x dx. So what is the answer that we get? Integral of secant squared x minus of secant x into tan x divided by secant squared x minus tan squared x times dx, correct? Secant squared x minus tan squared x times dx. We know 1 plus tan squared x is equal to what? Secant squared x. This implies to me that secant squared x minus tan squared x, that is equal to what? That is equal to 1, correct or not? So the denominator will easily become 1. So you are left with secant squared x minus secant x into tan x divided by 1 dx. See here, the whole concept is to rationalize the denominator. Is it okay? So what is your answer that we get? I is equal to integral secant squared x minus of secant x into tan x dx. Okay, tan x dx. So this is the form, correct? This is the form. So this is the form like this. All right. So what is the answer for secant squared x integration tan x? Secant x into tan x is secant x plus c. This will be the answer to the question.